Alright, hey guys, today we're going to do system test 32, and today is a special system test, not just because of the alarms, but also today is National Fire Alarm Day, so yeah, this is a special system test because of that. So so let's go over the devices and stuff. Same power supply, same panel. I took off the older cover. I'm gonna replace it with this one. So yeah. So right now that all of these holes and stuff are exposed. So yeah. But I'll just run the system like that. Anyways, I have my Faraday RMS GT1. RMS GT1. No, sorry, RMS 1T. So yeah. Still have it up. Yeah, it's Faraday rebranded, of course. Over here I have my system sensor P2RL horn strobe, and it's set to code 3 on the 3.3 kilohertz tone, and the strobe is set to 15 candela. Pause it. I have my Gentex Commander 3 horn strobe, and the horn is set to 24,000 hertz, and the strobe is set to 15 candela. So since we went over the devices, let's start. 3, 2, and 1. Alright, the system is silenced. As you can see, since this is a 2-wire horn strobe, it won't flash whenever I do audible silence. But this one would, because this is a 4-wire horn strobe. So yeah. So let's reset everything. Today is Hertz system test plus the National Fire Alarm Day system test on my system test. So yeah. Let me reset the system. Reset the pulse station first. Let me first see the model, just to make sure it's the RMS 1T. There it goes. The system shut off. Now I'm gonna reset it. Alright guys, that's it for system test number 32, National Fire Alarm Day system test. So yeah guys, goodbye, happy National Fire Alarm Day.